Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello everyone, Norhalma here once again, welcoming our subscribers and podcast listeners. If you're new here, we thank you for allowing us to share valuable marketing, accounting, and production tips and strategies to help your construction business thrive. In episode 638 today, we wrote about Pillar 2, Controlling the Money, Construction, Accounting, and Bookkeeping. Let's get into it. How smart money management keeps your business profitable and stress-free. When most small construction business owners think about success, they envision a steady stream of jobs, high-quality work, and satisfied clients. But there's another side to the story that often gets ignored: the financial health of your business. And here's the truth we see every day as construction bookkeeping specialists. Even skilled contractors with full calendars can run into cash flow problems, tax stress, or profit shortfalls. Not because of the work, but because of the numbers. That's where Pillar 2, Controlling the Money, comes in. In this post, we'll talk about how to take control of your finances through simple, construction-friendly accounting practices, so you can stop guessing and start growing. Why money control is the backbone of a construction business. In construction, money doesn't flow evenly. You might spend thousands on materials before getting paid. You may win one big job and then go 3 weeks without a deposit. Labor and equipment costs can shift mid-project. It's a juggling act. That's why proper accounting isn't just about keeping the IRS happy. It's about knowing your job cost, pricing with confidence, keeping cash flow steady, making better business decisions, and staying compliant and audit-proof. If your books are messy, late, or non-existent, you're flying blind. However, when your numbers are precise and current, you can run your business, not just react to it. The 5 biggest money mistakes we see in construction businesses. Let's start with the most common money-related problems we help contractors fix. First, bidding without knowing actual cost. Many contractors guesstimate job prices based on experience rather than actual data. However, with inflation, labor fluctuations, and new materials, those estimates can quickly lead to underbidding and lost profits. Second, mixing personal and business finances. Swapping your business card for groceries or buying tools with your debit card, that's a fast track to messy books and missed deductions. Next is falling behind on invoicing or collections. Delaying invoices or avoiding follow-ups means delayed payments and often unpaid work. Fourth, ignoring overhead. Suppose you only account for direct costs, such as materials and labor, and overlook indirect costs, including your phone bill, fuel, insurance, and software subscriptions. In that case, you'll never see your actual profit. And fifth, no real cash flow planning. Not knowing how much is coming in or going out in the next 30 days can lead to bounced checks, late payments, and last-minute borrowing. Sound familiar? Let's fix that. The three-part system for controlling your money. Here's how we help contractors like you get your finances under control without overwhelming spreadsheets or accounting jargon. First, job costing. Know what each project really costs. Job costing is the process of tracking every dollar that goes into each project, including labor, materials, subs, equipment, and overhead allocation. Over here, we call it LIMOS, or labor, materials, other costs, and subcontractors. Why it matters. You'll know which jobs are profitable and which ones aren't worth repeating. You'll improve your estimates over time using real data. And you'll spot problems early, like a crew taking too long or material waste. How to start? Use separate expense categories for each job in your accounting software, or at least use tags or notes. Track time and material costs in real time, not weeks later, and include a portion of your overhead per job: rent, insurance, admin time, etc. Even a basic spreadsheet is better than nothing, but ideally use tools like QuickBooks with project tracking or apps like Buildertrend that integrate with bookkeeping. Second, cash flow management. Know what's coming and going. Cash flow isn't the same as profit. You can make a $10,000 profit on paper, but still run out of cash if a client delays payment or if you pay subs too early. Why it matters. Helps you avoid shortfalls, late payments, or needing to dip into personal funds. It makes it easier to plan, purchase, or hire help when you can afford to do so. How to start? Create a weekly cash flow forecast. List all expected income and expenses by date so that you can plan around slow weeks or high expense periods. Require deposits and progress payments on jobs. And set up reminders for invoicing and follow-ups to ensure timely payments. A construction business with no cash cushion is one unexpected delay away from severe stress. Cash flow forecasting gives you breathing room and peace of mind. Next is monthly reporting. Make decisions based on facts, not feelings. Every month, you should be reviewing key reports that tell you how your business is doing, not just how you feel it's doing. The three reports you need are profit and loss statement or P&L. Are you making money? Balance sheet. What do you own? What do you own versus owe? And job profitability reports. Which jobs performed best? These reports help you adjust pricing and scope when needed, spot overspending early, justify business decisions such as hiring, purchasing equipment, or expanding, and get ready for taxes long before tax season. If your current bookkeeper isn't giving you these reports, or if you don't understand them, it's time for a better system. Bonus tips for easy financial control. Here are a few more best practices we recommend for all small construction business owners. First, separate business accounts. Use a dedicated business checking account and credit card. It simplifies tax prep, reduces errors, and keeps you audit ready. Second, keep receipts and documentation. Use apps like HubDoc, Dext, or QuickBooks Online to snap and store receipts. Label them with the project name for faster reconciliation. Third, use software that fits construction. Generic accounting tools are sufficient, but platforms like QuickBooks for Contractors, Joist, or Buildertrend offer features specifically tailored to the construction industry, such as progress billing, time tracking, and job costing. And fourth, work with a specialist. A bookkeeper who knows construction can save you hours of frustration and thousands in missed tax deductions or mispriced jobs. The bottom line, you can't grow what you don't measure. And what you can measure, you can manage. You wouldn't build a house without a plan. So don't run your business without a handle on your numbers. Controlling the money through job costing, cash flow tracking, and monthly reporting allows you to price smarter, avoid financial surprises, protect your profit margins, and make better growth decisions. You don't need to become a financial expert. You need a system that gives you visibility and a partner who can help you stay on track. Need help getting your finances under control? We specialize in helping small construction business owners like you set up or clean up their books, track job profitability, forecast cash flow, and understand their financial reports. Let us know how we can help you. Book a free consultation and take the guesswork out of your finances so you can focus on doing great work. So, if you have any questions or unsure about what services to outsource, please don't hesitate to contact us by calling our toll-free number at 1-800-361-1770 or 206-361-3950. Our podcast promo code is still available for you to use, our dear subscribers and podcast listeners. And it is for a 20% discount in our Fast Easy Accounting store and Construction Accounting Academy. You can use it 2 times, one for each website. So in our fasteasyaccountingstore.com for our bookkeeping templates and for any construction accounting classes at constructionaccountingacademy.com. Again, it's for a 20% discount. It's podcast 20, podcast 20, podcast 20. On behalf of our team here at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes. And make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.